if you're a student and you're not using these apps in 2026, you're making studying much harder than it needs to be. And no, these are not apps that everyone tells you like Notion, ChatGPT or Pomodoro apps. But these are 5 lesser known apps but powerful enough to completely change the way you study. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you top 5 productive apps that will make study more interesting and help you learn everything in easier way. So let's begin with the video. The first app that I would like to tell you is Notebook LM. There is a lot of information to learn and तुम सोचते हो कि इतना सब याद करना कैसे possible होगा, especially when you are a humanities student or learning subjects such as GK and history. This app helps you in creating mind maps, audio, quiz, flashcards and generate video of that topic, which makes easier to learn anything. So what you have to do, you have to upload the PDF of your book or chapter that you want to learn, or the chapter जिसका आपको quiz बनाना है, and then you have to go to the studio, you have to generate a quiz and it will make a quiz for you. If you want to listen to the audio, you can use the audio option and you can listen the complete chapter instead of reading it. You can also make mind maps through this and video lectures as well. Now let's come to the second app. Sometimes you feel really hard to read 20-page chapter or watch 2-hour YouTube video lecture, especially when tomorrow is your exam. So Mapify is your last minute savior. Mapify is an AI-powered learning app that converts PDF, document, article, website, even one-shot YouTube videos to clear and visual mind maps. Instead of reading long paragraphs, chapters or watching 2 hours, 3 hours video, even history की videos तो इतनी बड़ी होती हैं 10 घंटे की. So instead of watching this much long video, you can generate a structured mind map through this app. Now let's come to the third app. So the main distraction today while you are studying is phone addiction. And if your screen time looks like this, and you don't want to delete your social media, here is another app that reduces phone addiction by tracking your screen time, setting limits on distracting apps, and creating small pauses before you open them. You can also block selected apps while you study, and this app provides reports on your usage habits. So I am talking about Regain. The goal is to make mindless scrolling less automatic. You can put a certain limit or block certain apps while you are studying, and जब भी मन करता है कि पढ़ लिया ना, let's scroll some reels, तभी ये ऐप आपको रिमाइंडर देगा. It will block certain apps, it will stop you from endless scrolling. Sometimes you are so tired in classes that you don't want to listen to your teacher and wish that you could schedule the class for next day. Don't worry, you can try Otter AI. Your teacher will speak and it will automatically write everything for you. It is useful especially during online classes or if phone is allowed in your schools and colleges. You do not even have to listen to your teacher. It will do all the work for you, like writing your notes, and then you can take its printout or you can write the next day. Now let's come to the last app. It is an app that makes studying so much fun. While you study, you grow a tree. And more study leads to growing more and more trees, and eventually this will lead to growing forest. लेकिन अगर तुमने जो टाइम डिसाइड किया था उससे पहले पढ़ना छोड़ दिया तो your tree will die. Yes, I am talking about forest. It's daily, weekly and monthly analysis of your focus. It also has options to block other apps, and you can also compete with other people in this app. These were the 5 apps that make study more interesting and less tiring. Notebook LM, in which you have to upload entire textbook or PDF, and it will ask questions as if you are talking to the book. Mapify, that turns 30-minute YouTube video lecture into a mind map in seconds. Otter AI, a teacher speaks and notes appear automatically. Regain, in which your phone stops you from opening distracting apps. And Forest, that turns your concentration into a virtual forest and distraction into dead trees. So these were the 5 apps that make study more interesting and less tiring. I hope you all found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.